Good morning, and today is December 12, 2023, and it's a Tuesday. It's the second trading day of this week, and this week we are in the week 52, so 2 more weeks we close out this week, and we are away 1 minute away from the CBI data release at 8:30 Eastern Time. So let's go back to our charts. So far yesterday it made the high of the year, right? New high of the year. And you look at in the pre-market, it continued to make the high of the year right there. New high right there. So let's see. Look at that. We see the day version on the 1 hour time frame, but let's see the version on the RSI. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that. Whoo. Wow. The price reaction, look at price reaction to the data. So it hit it up to the level of 463.93. Very interesting right there. But if you look right there, let's see any diversion from a 1 minute time frame. Let's see how it's play out. So the low of this one is coincident with the 4 hour time frame level right there. So it's around so 61.99. That's the level. 61.99 right there. So for 61.99 right there. So basically we mark the high and the low of the first reaction. So for 2 minutes, and then we can go from there. So what the high of this? Hold on. I think that this one for now. So they create an equal high right here, equal high. 93. Yes, it's equal high. So maybe it's gonna go. It set the buy side trap right there. It may take this before it go down. So let's see. So we're gonna monitor this level, this range right here, to see how it behaves. But this is the range that is set. You see the momentum already shift, right? It's overbought right there. So if we go in right here at this candle at 8:32 and put a stop loss right here, then we are in a good trade right there. Because we based on the momentum shift, right? We see momentum shift going right away. Or if we late for this, we just put the sell stop right here or right here, right when it above with sell stop below this, it will carry us into the trade. If we put the sell stop at the low of that candle, then our stop loss gonna be 40 cents. But let's see if we hit the target, which is the sell side liquidity of this candle. Wow, it's a good risk to reward ratio. It's 1 to 3 right there. You see what I mean? Because whenever you see a momentum shift, then put your sell at the low of that candle. If we're gonna go for a quick scalping trade right there. $8.30. We already saw the momentum shift on the 1 hour time frame, so we can, you see here's the 1 hour time frame. Even though this one make the high, but you see the momentum already shift. You see that, right? Make a high, but momentum make a lower high. That's for 1 hour time frame. But let's see, you haven't raised this sell side liquidity. But we see the heel gap right here. So it may, retest this gap. Well, look like a rejection, so it's gonna come down. Look how much momentum drop. Huge right here. Let's see, it's gonna touch the 30 level. No, actually this level is set this level right here, not this level. Right here. $30. Yep. Basically, we mark the range, sell side liquidity and buy side liquidity. If we take this trade, we're still in the trade until 1 to 2 ratio right there. Yep. Oh, so the CBRI is more than expected, right? It raised more than expected. So actual prior consensus is 0, but it actually increased 0.1 month by month right there. So it's increased. So the inflation is increased. What does it mean? It does mean that the Fed may continue to hike the interest, and that can have any impact, right? So the Fed try to slow down the economy so they can control the inflation, right? Yeah, they want to control the inflation right there. Look at that, so it's gonna come down. So let's see it break out this range. Let's see. Hello? It looks like frozen right here. So it's fluctuate a little bit and now it's kind of slowed down right there. So we are in the 11 minutes after this. Okay, now it's out of that range right there. So it break out of that range, you see that? So if we take the target right here, we reach our target. That's a beautiful trade there. See that? That's the quick trade we have. We have a 2R right there. Very simple trade. So basically we put a sell stop, right? Sell stop order at this level, the low 463.41. Yes. No. It's breakout right there. So it breaks down right there. Yep. So basically a total soup sauce setup. And we have RSI diversion, right? That's what we need. We need to know the momentum is shift, and we do a sell stop order. Play right there at 467.41. entry time is that moment, 2 minutes after. Oh wait, 32 right there. Target is sell liquidity at 460.62 at that, and we have a residual ratio is 1 to 2. Right. Actually, we reached 40 cents, and we went. Excuse me, it's more 1 to 2. Oh, it's almost 1 to 3, but let's go with 1 to 2 right now. You see that? Right there. So you see the RSI diversion. That's very simple trade right there. We got it. We nailed it. And today is 2023 and December and 12, and the short setup with a CBI entry time is 0832. And it's December 12th, can you believe it, 23, and it's a Tuesday. Yeah, so it's basically the CPI is above, you know, the consensus that the estimate, and that's how the markets react to that news. Maybe this sell liquidity is a fall breakout. We can put a buy stop right here. It's just how many minutes? We read the target just 42, right? We go here 10 minutes. With 10 minutes we got our profit right there. Can you believe that? 10 minutes we make 2% right there. You know what else we expect? Beautiful. Market gonna give us endless opportunity right there. With X6 at 42, yeah, 10 minutes. All right, we already, in 20 minutes of the CY data. We pause right now. We're gonna pause here, and we come back when it have an opening. If we have, we will come back when the market, official open at 9:30 Eastern time. So see you then. Bye for now. Good morning, and opening bell just ran, and we are at 8:30 Eastern Time. I mean 9:30 Eastern Time, right there, 8:30 Central Time. By the way, today is Tuesday, and it's a high impact new CY release at 8:30 Eastern Time today, and you see how the market react, right? We marked the high, the low, the buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity of that move, and now it broke down to the sell side. So let's see, it's gonna sell off from here or it's gonna recover from here. So far it look like it's gonna sell off from here because we look at the 1 hour time frame, we see a diversion. See the diversion right here, right? It make a higher low right here, the price, but the RSI diversion. So let's see. Look at the pre-markets today. Let's see what the volume. So that's a lot of volume right there. 2.3 million share. It doubled. The average is about 1 million share. But in this case is it's above. It's way above the average. Hmm. 0.0%. It's increased 2 cents, only 2 cents. So yeah, it look like gonna come down and it hit the oversold level right now. Let's see. So we still have tomorrow FOMC meeting, another high impact news. So basically this week is very critical week, lots of news. Two news is the CPI, right? The CPI on Tuesday and Wednesday FOMC meeting, they conclude and they have a press conference at 2:30 Eastern. And you know what happened also is the option, CBOE option expire this Friday. So a lot of volatility going into this week. Yeah, it's so off, you see. 460.99. I think that the yesterday level right here, it broke down that level. That's the key level that we identified yesterday. So today, Tuesday, right? And it's open at 461.64. It's about it's below yesterday close. Yesterday is a close 461.97. So it's about 33 cents below yesterday close. So 97 minus 64, so you have 33 right there. So 33 cents below yesterday close. Let's see right there. So now the RSI below 30 now. It's 20 for that matter. So we see Friday. This is the Friday high. Cycle is revisit the Friday high. Just where it broke from that level. It broke that level. Yeah, yesterday. Set up for all sales liquidity right there to see if we're gonna take all sales liquidity from yesterday. If we go and break the July 27 high, then it take all the sales liquidity. So this morning we have a very simple trade, right? We're going to review detail later, but the simple trade when in the first 10 minutes or so when the CPI data release, we have this very simple trade and profit trade right there. Basically we are going right here. When we see rejection, put a sell stop right here for breakout. Yeah, actually at this candle, more so. Yeah, more so at this candle. Wow, yes. High 40. Yes, at this candle, it's more than the candle. Is a swing high, right? So far it's sell off, but it's not really a big sell off at all. it gradually, right? 64, 69, I mean just 20 cents below. Let's see how it reacts. But do we see the diversion? Yeah, we see the diversion. Let's see. But we're not gonna go along here. Let's see. 37 level. Yeah, let's see how this play out. But we're not gonna go long right now. I don't know why is that. So far we see the price drop from the all-time high for this year, 463.93, to the high Friday. It's $3 move right there. Whoever short right here make a huge money right there, $3 something. So let's see. We haven't seen any setup yet. Here we see the reversion right here, and then it go above 30 level. So we can mark this level at a 30 sub. Well, let's see. Very low volatility today. It's just 12.87. Let's see for the bottom now. Yeah, yesterday's close at 97, right? 46,197, and now it dropped it below that level. 97 cents. So 6.3 million right there. This is very old article. They don't have a new article at all. See. So the last 5 minutes or so is all up close, and we see the momentum is shift now. So basically we have a breaker right here, so it just retest this breaker. Let's see if it can break through this. This error is a supply error right there. Even don't go along here, we don't know how it's gonna react. We don't see the setup right here. Remember, keep in mind we don't have to trade every move, right? We just wait for the perfect setup. at a time. So the last 23 minutes or so is very slow. You see, it's just between this range. The opening price for today 490, 461, 64, and the high of Friday. So that's the range that it is in right now. So basically today is open below yesterday close 33 cents. Yes, right here. You see the feather up right there? Yep, beautiful right there. So right here, the low of this candle is 61.47. You see that? That's 47 for that matter. And you see the feather up? So basically it's just retest. Feather up right there, right? So you put a sell stop when we above this feather up high, then it will carry you into the trade. Let's see. That is one of the techniques that we use to enter. So let's say we get in a sell right here, sell stop. We only reach very tiny, 17%, I mean 17 cents. Let's see, we get a stop out here, 17 or 16 cents. So far we haven't seen it hit the stop loss. Right, let's see. Maybe the best entry is right now. Put in the sell stop. This 148. Yeah. Put right here the sell stop. That's called sell stop auto right there. Wow, it carried us into the trade right there. Now it becomes a sell limit because it's below that level now. Yep. So we are to finish the first 30 minutes, right? First 30 minutes of trading day. Yep. Wow. So if we check the trade right here, let's see if we got stop out. 64. By the way, we try not to enter the trade try not to enter trade when the RSI is in the range between 30 and 70 right here. Maybe the first 10 minutes you can do so, but after that it may indicate that it's going to consolidation, so don't do that. Don't want to take any entry. Let it break either side so we can entry. So we see the diversion right there, so that it was short set up on 1 hour time frame. But after it hit the Friday high, it rejected. It go back up. Let's see. But if we look from here, from the low yesterday, it's, I don't know, after the markets, it's really volatile. $6, swing right there. From the low after the market yesterday and the high in the pre-market today. The difference is $6.84. That's a huge swing right there. Alright, so we got stop out. We take that trade right there. Yeah, that's reason we recommend not trade when you see the RSI between. Wait for it to break it either to 70 level or down to 30 level, then we can take a trade. Alright, so we make this move, right? It move to from swing here, low. Let's see, how big is this move? $1.36, but it's break out that range right there. So let's watch carefully. So it's gonna be the fall breakout or gonna be a real breakout? But you know what? Go ahead and put a sell stop right here, right? If it sold out, then it carry into the trade right there. So trading is very boring. Yeah, we have to waiting, and waiting. Do a lot of preparation and then waiting. 80%, 90% is waiting. You see the fell up right there. This one. So that's the level we also pay attention. We can put the sell stop at this level instead of at 9:30 open right there. And this level go inside with the range right there. So what the high of it? 461.96. Yeah, we can put the sell top right there. If it fall breakout, it will carry it to the trade, but if it go up, then our order not executed, right? Yeah, look at that. 96. Yep, I think it carried to the trade right there. 96, right? If you put above sell limit, sell stop, to this level, very key right there. 96, right? So yeah, if we enter the trade right there, there's a entry right there. We in a good shape right here. That's another trick for it right here. Identify the order block and put a sell stop for fall breakout. Or the retest, retest order block. Because right here we already see momentum shift, right? Yeah, I think it's the perfect entry for it right here. basically you have a setup right here. Bearish breaker, and then the filling up retest. But you know, before this we trade this setup with a limit order, but now we know the improved technique, the improved entry technique. We have a lot. We do the sell stop, we do stop order. 461. $96. We place the order right there. Yeah, place order at 11, 10, 11. Yep. Here is the fair value of ship downward. It's not diversion just, but you can say diversion, but it's not diversion for that matter. You see it's start with downward right there. Here fell off. Yeah, we reached very low. Our stop loss is like right there at 70. And stop loss at 462.17, so we risked only 21 cents. So let's see the reward. The reward maybe this sell liquidity right here, the 60.75. So the risk reward ratio for it gonna be, we're gonna risk 24 cents, yeah, right? 17, yeah, we're 24 cents, I mean 21 cents. And the reward for it is from here, 461.96 to 460.75. So it's $1.21. That's a very good risk reward. It make our requirement, right, at least 1 to 2. I think this one maybe 1 to 5. Yeah, let's go 1 to 5. That's very good right there. 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. Okay, let's document this trade. And it's perfect for us because the RSI really hit the 70 right there. That's our requirement. And I think it's a breaker. And the time, I would say, yeah, 10, 11. Okay, it's now we got stop out. Yep, we got stop out. 10:18, 7 minutes later. Alright, 10 more minutes, we will wrap this up. It's 1 hour first. Very interesting, the whole move right here. That's amazing. Yep. So basically, it's still in the value. It's still in the fair value gap right here. So we can still short it right there at that level. Oh man, we can short them. You know why? Because now the RSI is really divergent right there. So we can use the Friday, this level, X4 level. Yeah, this level at 4 breakout. Because we have an RSI diversion. Do you want to have a high? Yep. Yep, we can go in right here. Let's see. We have a diversion. 4 breakout. Turtle soup. Short setup. have RSI diversion. So we do a sell stop. At 462.17. Entry time. I mean, let's check the entry time is the time we place the order, right? And we the stop loss, very tight stop loss. So only we risk only 13 cents. And we aim for this level. So this level gonna be 62. Let me see. So it's gonna be 62. Basically 462.70 and minus 460.75, right? So right there. So the level subtract that level. So 7 minus 5 is 8. 8. And then 11 minus 8 is 3. 38. So it's gonna be $1.38. And roughly right there. That means we have reached the ratio to 1 to what? Yeah, almost 1 to 10. That's huge ratio. Let's take a look and see. I mean, let's take a screenshot and see how it's play out. Yeah, we reach very tiny. Around 10, 24. Wow, we got stop out. Look at that. We got stop out right away. Too tight for a stop. So maybe above that level we put right there. It's much better. To the level, this level, much better than the X4 level, the 4-hour time frame. So we go in right here, 24. We should go in at 25. Yeah, we can put that in our journal. That's the lesson learned for us. 24. Yeah, we can use the low of this one to entry also. See that? Because this one marked diversion. RSI diversion.
This is the message from the Urology Group Memphis office. Tennessee.
So the anchor candle should be this candle. Yeah, I think it's gonna come down and take this sales already. Yeah, we either use this candle or this candle. Ten 18. All right, so we try to sort again right here. It look like it's not working, but anyway, we gotta go. We gotta wrap up here. Take a look at 5 minutes time frame real quick. Okay, so we have the DR model right here, right? The high of DR and low DR right here. So it doesn't give any signal right now, it's just neutral. But this candle, at least it goes above the DR, implied DR right there. But anyway, we gotta go. Thank you for your time and interest. We're always grateful for this opportunity, and do what we love. Success is coming our way. Bye for now.